Hi guys, this video is to show you the new SEBI rules which has been enacted. Well, let me show you. If I go to the futures and options, any option, if I check, if I go for Bank Nifty PE, okay, and if I go for a buy, then you can see that in the MIS section, which is the intraday, okay, if I select that, it's coming up as approx margin required for one lot, which is 25 quantity, is costing me around 6,215. So if I refresh this is the same cost. Okay, if I go for normal, the same thing, which you can see the approx margin required is again coming up to be 6,215 rupees. So now you can understand that the margin has been totally gone. Even if I show you in the, let's say, in the call option, let's say this one, if I go for the call option over here, one lot would cost me around 10,000 rupees, 10,500 for me to buy, and the other one, if I go for the MIS, this should be considerably lower, but you can see it's costing me 10,551, which is basically the same amount as normal and intraday. There is basically no difference. So the intraday in options has been removed, and SEBI has done this to protect the retailers' interest. But I think that this is a wrong step, because this will indeed lead to a low amount of volume being traded in Bank Nifty and Nifty, and also people will also lose their interest in trading in these indexes which were really popular. So I think it will definitely come back one day. Okay, but one other good news which I want to show you is that, for example, let's say if I go for a stock, okay, let's say if I want to do some stock trading, and I know that Bajaj Auto or Bajaj Finance is highly correlated with Bank Nifty. So I know the movement. I can see the movement of Bajaj Finance and predict the movement of Bajaj Finance as per my analysis in Bank Nifty. Okay, so over here, what they have done is that, for example, say today the market will fall. Okay, so I want to sell Bajaj Finance. Previously, I would not get any leverage. Okay, like hardly any leverage. So if I go for the cash and carry, it's costing me 5,497. But if I go for the intraday, okay, if I go for the intraday, then it's costing me 704 rupees. So in order to buy one stock of Bajaj Finance or sell one stock of Bajaj Finance, it's costing me comparatively lower. And if I show you the exact calculation how much leverage we are getting in Zerodha, then it's somewhere around, what was the cost, 5,497, which is the current price in NSC. Okay, 5,497. If I divide it by 704 rupees, divided by 704 rupees, then you can see we are getting approximately 7.8% leverage on the sell side. But I think on the buy side we were getting even higher leverage. Let me just show you. On the buy side it was okay, we are getting basically the same amount of leverage, 5497. 5497 divided by 704, so that's almost 8 times, 7.8 times the amount of leverage that you were getting. I mean, you are getting even a better amount of leverage in stock trading. So definitely we'll be doing a lot of stock trading, and we'll be buying and selling stocks instead of going for Bank Nifty and Nifty, because the options are indeed really costly. And even I think in Nifty they have done the same thing. If I go ahead and type Nifty over there, and let's say type Nifty CE, okay, let's say, yeah, let's say 12,800, just for an example. Okay, if I go for a buy over here, you can see the approx margin required is 1,63,000, and even in the normal order, if I go for one lot, it's costing me 1,63,000. So everything has gone to positional from the options perspective, but from stock trading perspective, we'll be getting to see a high amount of movement in stocks, and up and down. So I think it's going to be something different, and also it will protect retail investors from losing a lot of money, because options are really volatile, as you guys know. Okay, so anyways, I hope you liked this video. And by the way, this is my other small profile, which I usually didn't invest much into. Okay, I guess I started this portfolio a few days back, and you can see already a gain of 714. So yeah, I hope that you guys are liking these analysis, and also I hope that you guys are liking my transparency. I don't think anyone would be sharing their portfolio on a regular basis, so definitely like and subscribe my channel, and always make sure that you turn on the bell icon, because I come live every day to provide my analysis. And also guys, make sure that you are also going ahead and checking the Telegram channel, which is there in the link below, because I post every important thing which is happening in the market. Okay, so don't worry, we will definitely find something or the other to trade, even if the margins are not available. And definitely you can hold on to any option. Previously we couldn't hold on to a trade, because we knew it's intraday. Either we'll lose the entire premium, and we'll have to sell it off. But now there's no hurry to sell off the call or the put option, because there is no hurry. Okay, we can hold it till our expiry, till we approach the expiry. And if our view is right, then we would not lose the entire amount of premium, although some amount of time decay would be there in the options. Okay, and by the way, this is the other portfolio which I have already showed, and this is also a really small portfolio. So you can see already a gain of 7% in my unrealized profit and loss. So definitely do like and subscribe my channel, because I also share my portfolio, and definitely you can go ahead and invest in whatever I'm investing, and receive all these green numbers, and earn a lot in swing trading also. Okay, all right guys, I'll meet you next time. Bye.